Hello everyone. Let us discuss Unit 1.2 from School and Classroom Management, that is Managing Human Resources. So let us first see what exactly is a human resource. So human resource is used to describe both the people who work for a company or organization and the department responsible for managing resources related to the employees. So it is basically used to describe both the people as well as the department. The people who work for a company or an organization like the employees, and also the department which is responsible for managing resources which are related to the employees or are required by the employees. Now the term human resources was first coined in the 1960s when the value of labor relation began to garner attention, and when notions such as motivation, organizational behavior, and selection assessment began to take shape. So it is not a very recent concept, but it is something which people thought of in the year 1960s when people started talking about the labor relations, when people started talking about concepts such as motivation, organizational behavior, the expected behavior from the employees, or maybe selection assessment, all of that. Now, why name human resource management? Human refers to the skilled workforce in the organization, which includes both teaching and non-teaching staff. Resource refers to limited availability, and management, it refers to proper use of resources and making the best use of available resources. Now let us understand managing human resources. Now when we talk about human resource, we are aware that human resources are the most important resources in order to execute effective school management. Because without human resources that we are talking about, it will be difficult to run a school. And without proper use of human resources, one will not be in a position to manage school effectively. So human resource management is nothing but the process of recruitment. So it basically starts with recruitment when you identify an individual suitable for the kind of job that you are offering. Second one would be selection of employees. So when we talk about selection of employees, it is about whether the person who has come for a job or who has applied for a job, whether is suitable for the kind of work that you have or the nature of work that your institution has. Third one is providing proper orientation and induction. So when a person is selected and appointed on a job, it is a responsibility of the institute to give proper orientation and induction to the person in order to understand the kind of work that the person has to do. Next is providing proper training and developing skills. So it is also important to provide proper training and developing skills to the person. Then assessment of performance. After the person has done some work, it is also important that you assess the kind of performance the person is giving. Sixth is motivating the person to do better and appreciating the work that the person has done. Maintaining proper relation is again a very important aspect related to human resource management. Maintaining employee safety and welfare is again given very much importance when it comes to human resource management. Now it is the duty of the leader, who is nothing but the headmaster or principal of the school or college, to manage available human resource, that is the teaching and non-teaching staff of the college, to get maximum out of them in order to run the school effectively and for a successful school life. Because leader is considered responsible for all the good and bad of the institution. So this was all about managing human resources in brief. If you have any queries related to this particular concept, please feel free to type in the chat box. Thank you.